Here we are, gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Nova. It's a super sport clone. One repaint. Dusk Blue is the color. This is over a $10,000 professional paint job. As you can see, the reflection. All original body panels on the car, no rust ever. Beautiful chrome bezels. All the weather stripping has been redone. Firestone, new tires and Magnum 500 wheels. Look at the quality of the paint. I don't think you're gonna find a nicer Nova for my price on the internet for sale in this quality. Here's the quality of the interior. The only thing is this, which I have on order. It's $25 on eBay. Beautiful, beautiful door jambs. Super clean interior. Car does have a build sheet as it's right there. Look at how clear the lens is, showing 29,758. I mean, like new interior. Back seat, all the seat belts, nice package tray. All the weather stripping is new. Dome light works. Just an excellent little car. Look how the door closes. Paint is near perfect. Beautiful interior, all black, done really nice. Newer 350 V8, power steering, power brakes, aluminum intake, 4-barrel carb, Chevrolet chrome kit, new alternator battery. Look how clean it is. All the bushings have been replaced. Ready for a new home. Okay, so what we'll do now is fire up this small block on my 72. Wipers work. All my lights are working. Turn signals, horn. Here's the build sheet to the car, which goes with the vehicle. Aftermarket gauges are all working properly. Like I said, everything works on this puppy. Look how the door closes. Excellent. Excellent, excellent V8s. There are no problems with this motor at all. It's a 350, like I said earlier. It's got a turbo 350 transmission, automatic. All the lights are functioning. Listen to that thing purr. It's a little cold out here, so that's why you see that puffing out of the exhaust there. You will not be disappointed. We have financing available. For financing, go to www.lightstream.com. They have one of the best interest rates. They require no money down. You don't have to put down a down payment or a deposit in order to finance the vehicle. Again, that's www.lightstream.com. Fill it out online. They'll give you an approval in about 15 minutes from the time of application. They're one of the best for classic cars. Give them a try. If you have any questions for me, please call me or text me. I will do full disclosure on my cars. My number's 847-848-1850. I can also deliver the car right to your doorstep. Would like to talk to you, you know, where you're located to give you a free quote. But again, this is a private sale. You have my phone number. Check me out. And I do have some other vehicles for sale if interested. Thank you.